If y'all want to know why you guys don't have your 420 video in the Fenty foundation, it's because of your nephew. He having a whole meltdown. Let me take him to daycare, and I'm just going to film the video at work. I wanted to, we got Miss Rachel going. I wanted to have this filmed in the studio with studio lighting and all of that. Stop. He's sleeping. I'll see y'all at work. So I think those are the claims. Natural looking, radiant, with outshine, high performance, long wearing formula with medium coverage. So I have a brush, a foundation brush. This is the Morphe foundation brush. Just type that in. You should see this. Take a screenshot. You can get it at the makeup stores. I believe Sephora and Ulta. I also have a clean puff. It's a little bit of frosted packaging, but this is the shade 420. I don't go in. First of all, I hardly ever wear liquid foundation anymore. Let's start with that. So I'm gonna take this One Size Beauty powder in translucent. If you'd like to see the One Size Beauty pink powder, I'll go ahead and link that video, the newest one, ultra pink setting powder. All right, let's just go down with a powder. You can use any powder you want, a translucent powder. You can use a deep translucent powder. I like those too, but this is the one I grabbed today, so it's the one I'm gonna use. I have on skincare, so I don't want that to combat the foundation. Gotta pump it till it start coming out. 2, 3, 4. All right, that's 4 pumps. What time is it? Okay, I gotta be inside of work soon. Now, don't hold me or judge me too hard if this looks a little lighter than my skin. I just did 4 miles on the beach, and yes, sis has a good tan, but it should blend down pretty good to go with my skin tone. And as we speak, the camera's about to overheat, so I'm gonna just keep blending until it's shut off. Y'all see how seamlessly that blended down? Like, look at that. This is the side with no foundation, and this is the side with foundation. All right, so we use the brush, and it blends down buttery smooth. I definitely see the luminous. It's living up to that. It feels very lightweight. I don't like the feeling of foundation on my skin and it be all sticky and stuff. This, it feels lightweight. All right, so I put 4 pumps on this as well, just like I did with the brush. And now we're gonna do the other half of our face. 4 pumps might be too much. Start with 2 and then build it up. But I love how it's not cakey, because I don't even wear liquid foundation most of the time. I know I try out a bunch of things for you guys, but I don't wear liquid foundation most of the time. Okay, I'm gonna just go back over my whole nose, because it's kind of hard to just stay on the half when you're doing your nose. Y'all, I am in love, baby. This is going on so. Look how smooth. Look at how smooth. I have no foundation on my neck or nothing. It blended very good. I can drag it down my jawline a little bit. I don't wear foundation on my neck because I just don't like to. I don't want it all over my clothes. And I feel like it matches my neck anyway. What y'all think? I think it matches my neck actually quite good. And my tan didn't really affect it, affect my shade all that much. Which I find to be really weird, because usually my skin tans really easily, but my face doesn't. That sun, y'all, this look like skin. It looked like I'm wearing skin with a pop of moisturizer. I mean, yeah, it looks like skin with moisturizer. It doesn't look like foundation. So I'm gonna go clock in for work. I'll be back with, I'll do the rest of my face, or maybe I'll do it on camera, but let me go clock in for work right quick and I'll be back. But I'm loving this so far. All right, y'all. I love it. I am not a dewy, luminous foundation type of gal, but like just a little more coverage than a BB cream. It's like a step above, and which is perfect for people like me who like a simple, natural, for the most part, classy looking look. It's just like, you know, a step above a BB cream, a step above natural skin when you just want that little extra va-va boom, you know what I'm saying? Because it says natural looking, radiant without shine. Agreed. High performance. I don't know about long wearing because I haven't had it on that long. And medium coverage, okay? And I agree with all of that. I feel like I look really cute. I feel like this is perfect for work. And I also feel like even if I use this, it's still a good base because I can layer it up with concealer and like powders and make it into full coverage if I wanted it to. But I'm okay with the level that it's giving. And then from the time I started doing my makeup until now, it's been like an hour. And this makeup has not moved. It has not budged. So I would take a guess to say that it probably is long wearing as well. Because I just really like the way that it looks. Definitely go get you some of this soft filter, naturally luminous, long wearing foundation from Fenty Beauty, okay? This is it, and in everything complexion that I get from Fenty, I wear the shade 420. I know on camera sometimes it's kind of hard to tell, and with black girls we have like all different shades of brown. So I would say I'm like a nut brown, like a molasses, a pecan, a coconut brown, if that helps you find your shade. I am slightly tanned from all my beach workouts in the last week or so, but I always use 420 in all of them. I will link my Fenty Beauty playlist, and I will go ahead and add that to it.